Streamline your supply chain production, scheduling, planning, forecasting, analysis, and reporting with dynamic Excel and Google Sheets spreadsheet templates. These ready-made templates are designed to be customizable, highly visual, and usable for all levels of spreadsheet experience. Let's see what's inside the Supply Chain and Operations Template Collection. Warehouse Management. Introducing our Warehouse Management Excel template with advanced features including item BOM and sales transaction management. Use this tool to effortlessly track SKU inventory, control stock quantities, and set reorder points for efficient replenishment. Take charge of order quantities and ensure timely restocking to meet demand fluctuations. This tool uses dynamic slicers to filter between items, statuses, and dates. Seamlessly manage supplier details, track invoices, and maintain robust supplier relationships. Utilize barcode functionality for easy product identification and tracking. Experience enhanced efficiency and accuracy in warehouse operations, empowering your business to meet customer demands with precision. Revolutionize your inventory management today with our versatile Excel template. Capacity Analysis. Capacity Analysis Excel template is a powerful tool that you can use to optimize your operational efficiency and mitigate risks. This template allows you to assess your overall operation rate against customer demand, accurately calculate manufacturing capacity, required spaces, and workforce needs. Highlighting risk capacity on a monthly basis, this tool identifies potential shortages based on operation cycle time and efficiency. With intuitive features, track capacity utilization and strategically allocate resources to meet demand fluctuations. Inventory Management. The Inventory Management Excel template is a comprehensive solution to optimize your inventory control and streamline operations. With advanced features, this workbook allows you to summarize inventory order quantity and reorder cost, presenting dynamic charts for clear visualization of inventory trends. Efficiently manage current inventory levels and reorder points with built-in alarms for timely reordering based on predefined levels. Receive suggested reorder quantities and calculate total cost for optimal replenishment. Delivery in Full on Time. Delivery in Full on Time, or DIFOT, Excel template is a powerful tool to measure and optimize logistics and delivery performance within your supply chain. This template meticulously controls all processes from receiving customer orders to managing lot sizes, production lead times, and target delivery dates, ensuring each delivery meets customer expectations. With comprehensive tracking and analysis capabilities, monitor performance metrics and identify areas for improvement to enhance customer satisfaction and streamline operations. Supplier Relationship Management. Supplier Relationship Management Excel template is a strategic tool you can use to assess and optimize supplier contributions to your business. This template offers a systematic approach to evaluating supplier performance, utilizing scorecard management sheets to visualize key performance indicators. Easily identify top-performing suppliers and areas for improvement, fostering stronger partnerships and enhancing supply chain efficiency. With comprehensive supplier review sheets, compare scores on a monthly basis to track progress and drive continuous improvement. Customer Inquiries Tracker. Introducing our Customer Inquiries Management Excel template, a comprehensive solution to streamline and organize customer inquiries effectively. This template enables seamless receipt and detailed sorting of customer inquiries, categorizing them based on type or category for efficient review and follow-up. With a smart dashboard, visualize all related metrics and inquiry statuses, empowering you to track progress and prioritize tasks with ease. Access all required information and priority tasks in one consolidated view, ensuring timely resolution and enhanced customer satisfaction. Workload Analysis. Workload Analysis Excel template, a powerful tool to optimize manpower requirements for your organization's processes. This template enables you to meticulously manage specific operation rates, working days, and direct manpower per shift. By conducting thorough workload analysis, you can accurately determine optimal manpower requirements to ensure efficient operations and meet production targets. With customizable features, track and adjust manpower allocations as needed to maximize productivity and minimize labor costs. Procurement Management. Procurement Management Excel template, a comprehensive solution to streamline and optimize your procurement processes. This template empowers you to effectively control suppliers and vendors through a purchase order management sheet, enabling seamless tracking of purchase order statuses. With a centralized products items list, monitor and manage the status of each purchase order effortlessly. Easily create purchase order documents using a user-friendly drop-down menu to reflect all related items accurately. Additionally, access a quick summary to visualize your supplier's purchase order statuses, facilitating informed decision-making and ensuring smooth procurement operations. Tender management. Tender management template will give a solution to streamline the planning, selection, and publishing of bids efficiently. This template ensures a transparent and systematic process, maintaining a clear audit trail for future contract optimization. Evaluate tender companies based on quality and price scores, sorting them from highest to lowest in the tender summary graph. Additionally, record comments for each criteria, which are automatically published on the tender evaluation comments sheet. Shipping and receiving management. Introducing our Shipping and Receiving Excel template, a powerful tool to streamline and organize your shipping and receiving operations. This workbook is designed to keep your items, suppliers, and customers organized effectively. Update master lists effortlessly and record shipping and receiving data in dedicated log sheets. Utilize the smart and dynamic dashboard to visualize key metrics such as shipping volumes, delivery times, and supplier customer performance. Unlock access to over 30 meticulously crafted templates designed to enhance your work productivity and streamline your supply chain tasks. From warehouse management to procurement, tender management to shipping and receiving, our templates cover every aspect of the supply chain process. Gain unparalleled insights and control over your operations with intuitive features, dynamic dashboards, and smart automation. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out your career, our templates are tailored to meet your needs and drive success. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your supply chain management. Join thousands of satisfied users who have already transformed their workflows with our templates. Take the next step towards efficiency and effectiveness in your supply chain tasks today. Get started now and take your supply chain management to new heights. Thanks for watching. Visit simplesheets.co to unlock all of the great tools that Simple Sheets has to offer.